There are not that many people in the world who get an opportunity to strap on the F-22 Raptor and fly it. My name is Major Paul Lopez II. My call sign is Loco. They call me Loco because I'm crazy about what I do in the United States Air Force. The first time I flew an airplane by myself was when I was 18 years old. I ended up going to college at North Carolina A&T State University. Once I did ROTC, which is the Reserve Officer Training Corps, I had competed for a pilot slot in college, and I was awarded a pilot slot after I passed the Air Force Officer Qualifying Test, and I've been flying in the Air Force for 12 years. As a fighter pilot, we're known as being at the tip of the spear, which means to be one of the first units called whenever a conflict arises. The F-22 Raptor is an air dominance fighter. It's capable of flying twice the speed of sound, up to 60,000 feet high, and we are extremely maneuverable. We can also carry 6 AIM-120 radar missiles, as well as 2 Sidewinder missiles. We also have a 6-barrel Gatling gun, which fires 6,000 rounds per minute. When you squeeze that trigger, you definitely feel the rumble of the gun, and it is an amazing feeling. For a 12-year career in the Air Force thus far, it seems like it happened in an instant. So I always like to tell people, don't focus on the end goal, enjoy the journey and embrace where you're at, and just work hard and you're gonna get to where you need to get to. You know, I'm humbled, and I think it's just a testimony to the young kids that I get an opportunity to go and talk to just say, hey, if I made it, you can make it, because it all started with a dream with me when I was a young kid.